1 minute English speaking challenge about pen. If you really want to improve your speaking English, you can also practice like this. It will really help you to improve your speaking English. I always try to practice like this. So let's get started. The pen is very small, but most powerful tools in our daily life. We use pen for writing letter and sharing our emotions and feelings with others. We also use pen for expressing our thought. From student to professional, everyone needs pen. Students use pen for their study and completing their exams. On the other hand, professional people use pen for signing their document. Not only student and professional people use pen, but also a businessman, a teacher, even a shopkeeper use pen for their personal needs. Before modern technology, people used pen for writing letter and sharing their feelings and emotion with others. Even nowadays, using pen for writing letter is more personal than typing. We can improve our speaking English and we can improve ourselves by using pen. We can also learn something new by using pen, right? সো আপনি চাইলে এভাবে প্র্যাকটিস করে আপনার স্পিকিং ইংলিশটাকে ইমপ্রুভ করতে পারেন। যদি ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগে লাইক, কমেন্টস অ্যান্ড শেয়ার করতে ভুলবেন না। আর চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটি বাজিয়ে দিন, যেন নতুন ভিডিও আপলোড করার সাথে সাথেই আপনি নোটিফিকেশন পেয়ে যান। সো দ্যাটস অল। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।